Uniqlo has a secret strategy to take over the entire fashion world and compete with everyone from Prada and Louis Vuitton down to H&M. And I'll tell you exactly what they're doing. Well, the parent company of Uniqlo is called Fast Retailing Company. And they realized that only with Uniqlo, they will not be able to cater to all customer segments, which is why they've started 7 sister brands of Uniqlo. And I'll explain. Well, the largest growing category is of fast fashion for Gen Z at cheap clothes. For that, they've actually started a brand called GU, which has just entered the US market and has become a smashing hit. In fact, it may enter India in the next couple of years. But after Gen Z, which is the next segment, it's actually millennials who go to work and need smart workwear. For that, they have a brand called Theory. But then, what is the segment above that? Is slightly older people who like to wear European-inspired business wear. For them, they have another brand which is called Plus T. Then, what is the segment above that? It's actually people who own companies. They don't wear business wear, they actually wear streetwear as well as t-shirts that cost upwards of 50,000 rupees. For that, they have another brand called Helmut Lang. Now, for denim wear, they have another brand called J Brand. And then when you look at women, they have French inspired suits and business wear for women under the brand which is called Comport et Cotonnier, and female lingerie for women actually under the brand Princess Tam Tam. So you see, they realized that with one brand, if you try and sell to everyone, you sell to no one, which is why they've started an entire network of brands to take over the fashion world. A lot more in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.